I'm back. Hey beauts and beaus, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Imani Cole. If you're new here, please subscribe. But today I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine, so if you're interested, continue watching. I'm going to split my hair in half. This is also what I did in the shower. I just washed my hair mainly in my scalp and let the water and the shampoo rinse down my hair, but like I focused on my scalp since that's where most of my products go, and that's where all the buildup is. So that's what I do. Where's my hair tie? My moisturizing routine, I like to use, well, I recently started using the L.O.C method, L.O.C. This means liquid, oil, then cream. I just split my hair.
That's a good split.
And I just get my little hair clips that I have. I don't even know where I bought these. My mom has these. I'm just using her hair clips. And I'm clipping it to the other side. And while I have this piece of hair, we're gonna use the first letter, L, liquid meaning water. This water has some leave-in conditioner mixed in. So all you're doing right now is just spraying your hair with water. I chose to mix it with conditioner. And then for hair oil, I chose to use olive oil oils. All the products I'm going to be using will be in the link down below if you are interested in any of them. So all I'm doing here is just massaging my hair, and then I'm going to finger detangle it. So then I massage my scalp to get the product everywhere. It's also really great for hair growth. It's just a good scalp stimulation type of thing.
Perfect.
For cream, meaning conditioner, I use Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. And once I have all the products in my hair, I comb my hair out using a paddle brush. Everything that I'm using on this case again will be down below, so don't worry. And basically what I do is just repeat, and I just put as much water as I would need so my hair won't get dry and I won't be combing out dry hair. And then if I need any extra product, I just add it. And then to get the hair out of my way, I just twist it for now. And what I'm doing now is just repeating lock. I felt like I did not have to tape or just show the other side of my head and what I do to it, since you guys basically know the drill.
Perfect.
usual, I'm just unraveling my twists and we're basically done moisturizing my hair. I just want to show you guys how my hair dries. I hope that you guys enjoyed my video that I've filmed. It's been a long time since I've made a YouTube video. Please like and comment on my video, and if you're new here, please subscribe.